So now let's talk about the vector product. We've done the scalar product before. The scalar product is the dot product. A dot B is the length of A times the length of B times the cosine of the angle between them. The vector product is very similar. Instead of cos, it's got sine. The scalar product was the dot product with a dot. The vector product is also called the cross product. We write it with the cross times sign. A cross B is the length of A times the length of B times sine theta. Except that would be a scalar. That would just be a number. The vector product is a vector. It also has a direction. Now it's written in the formula as mod A mod B sine theta n hat. Because n hat is a unit vector, so it doesn't change the length. It really just gives the direction for the vector product. Now how do we work out the direction? The direction is determined by the right-hand rule. Now I actually don't like this version of the right-hand rule. And the reason is because it's easier if you learn the same rule as you will learn or have already learned for electromagnetic force. So it works like this. Just make sure you can see that. So this is the first vector, this is the second vector, and the palm points in the direction. Out of your palm is the direction of the cross product. So if that's the direction of A, and that's the direction of B, and the direction of C is at right angles to both of them, this way, in the positive palm direction. Positive palm direction. So let me give you some examples. So, work out the vector cross product of these two vectors A and B. So, the length of the vector is the length of A, which is 4, and times the length of B, which is 7, times the sine of the angle between them, which is 60 degrees. That gives me the length, which if you simplify is 21 root 3 on 2. The direction we have to figure out. The direction is determined by A and B. So, if I point my hand in such a way, and I have no idea whether this is going to match up when you look at the picture. I'll try and see if I can make it do that. A is this direction, B is that direction. So the cross product is downwards into the page. Positive direction of the vector product, the cross product, is the direction of the palm, which is downwards. So if this is A and this is B, then the positive direction, palm direction, the vector product therefore goes into the page, which you can see they've written down here. The direction will be into the plane or downwards. A cross B, this is its length in a downward direction. Personally, I would actually write into the plane rather than downwards. That's how you determine the direction.